For you to go viral, you gotta know these simple hacks. 20 years aren't 20 days. Guys, I've seen what works and what flops in this viral video game. I pulled these 7 pro tricks straight from a top-level premium course. So watch it, like it, share it, and hit that subscribe button, just in case they ask me to take it down later. You won't lose nothing, all right? Let's break it down like ice cream on a hot day. 1.
I'm giving away $10,000. I just bought this luxurious private jet. And if this pilot can spend 100 days trapped inside, he keeps it.
That was straight up Mr. Beast level crazy intro vibes. Now let me show you how to actually do it step by step. Hook in the first 3 seconds for shorts, or 1 minute for long video. Say, or show something crazy, funny, or emotional right at the start. Why? Because people scroll fast. You gotta grab them immediately. 2. Big bold text. Use large animated text with cool fonts and effects in your intro. Even if the sound is off, people still get the gist. Tip. Highlight power words like secret or wow or free. 3. Fast cuts, no boring gaps. Cut the fluffs out. Slice out anything boring. Leave just the juicy, heart-pumping parts. Add jump cuts, memes, zoom-ins. Keep it spicy every second. Sometimes 1 minute might be greater than 3 minutes. Watch Mr. Beast videos closely. No space for fluffs. Movie guys, shoot 50 hours and cut it down to 1 hour plus. That's viral editing 101. 4. Add relatable humor or surprise. Make people laugh or say, no way. Drop memes, silly sound effects or plot twists. When folks get shocked, they share. And shared videos are viral videos. 5. Make thumbnails for mobile and shorts in CapCut. Switch your video to tall, 9:16. Add your clip. Zoom your timeline all the way so you see the timestamps. Find the moment you want as a thumbnail, screenshot it, import it, add it here, trim it to 1 second, drop it at the beginning, compound clip it, export, and boom, thumbnail ready. Upload to YouTube, then switch the thumbnail. Can't change thumbnail in the YouTube app? Comment, and I'll make a vid for that too. 6. Make viral thumbnails in CapCut, free. Grab your image or idea, pick orientation. I'm choosing YouTube long equals 16:9. Use every tool CapCut gives you. Resize, background remover, text tools, masks, color grading. Let's do it together. I'll copy a random thumbnail just to show you how smooth it works and save you some Canva Pro money. 7. Remove instrumentals from a song. Keep just the voice. Want to keep just the voice or lyrics from a song? CapCut got you. It's like having a pro sound engineer for free. Click your music, go top right to basic, scroll to vocal isolation, then tap it and wait a few seconds. Boom! You have it. Now you can snatch someone's music, ditch the beat, remix it your way, and dodge copyright strikes. If Extra was a tutorial, it'd be this one. Watch Pro Settings You Must Know in CapCut next. Like I said, you haven't seen anything yet. I'm turning every premium course into free source on this How To Befty channel. Drop your editing struggles in the comments, gather supports. I'll create a free vid just for you. But yo, make sure you're subscribed before commenting. You can't enter college without going to basic school, right?